Hi, everyone. I wanted to share with you one of the best ways to write college papers, and that's using an outline. When I was in high school and I had to do these things, I always thought outlines were silly and pointless. But when I got to college, I realized how important they were because it helps you see your paper come together. It helps you figure out where to put research into certain categories and how to chunk information so that you can write and focus your ideas. So, this is an example. It's not probably what you're going to be writing about. This one is about um, soldiers' jobs. And I could do all sorts of attention getters. Maybe I write a really profound statement, but I can also do something different, like maybe I tell a story about a medic that basically treats a wounded soldier. And that would be an interesting way to start it out. You definitely want to eventually figure out what your points are going to be and list them. And longer essays are just going to have 6, 7, 8, 10, 12 points. If you're doing a shorter assignment where you just have to show me one paragraph, then you're going to focus just on this sort of outline here, where you show me a topic sentence, which is the point of the paragraph, your information, which is cited properly, and a summary statement. So if it's a shorter assignment, you would just show me, one piece of the puzzle. And you might be asked in the future to expand on that to create a much larger outline, which would look like this, where you have more than just one point. You would have 3, 4, 5 points. If that's the case, then you're writing a major essay, and then you would want to have a thesis statement, which is not a list of your main ideas, but is a statement about what these main ideas culminate to help to prove. So I'll let you read that on your own. So I want you to also notice what the outline helps you do is make decisions with your research. Let's say you have a paragraph that has, a lot of information, and you want to put as much as you possibly can find. You can always eliminate things in the future. But let's say you have another paragraph that doesn't have much at all. This helps you make decisions when you go to write your paper where you need to cut quotes that might sound redundant or choose the best quotes that will work, and where to add information where you need to add. You need to do all of this before you go turning this into a draft.